First, we will install SQL Server. Just click on the first link. That is Microsoft website. Actually, SQL Server is Microsoft product. We have we have multiple editions, but we will select Express edition. Select basic and click install. Just I will install in D. Create a new folder and install your SQL Server. It will take little time. Wait for installation of SQL Server. It's take time, depends on your internet speed. After it, we will install SQL Server Management Studio. Just copy the connection string and click on SQL Server Management Studio. Now we'll install. Click on this link. Now we will install. Click on the downloaded file SSMS. Now we are going to install SQL Server Management Studio, where we will create and manage our database. The file is installing. It also takes time. It is a little 2.11 GB. Just click on install. It will take time depending on internet speed. I am just going faster, but you have to wait for the completion of installation. Now it is installed. It is completing installation. Wait for completion. Now done, installation completed. Just launch Management Studio. Now go to find SSMS Management Studio file, and SQL Server Management Studio is loading. Now you have to test your connection for Studio. Just copy the name. You have to write the server name. That is two parts. First part is actually your system name. So search your system information and just copy the system name, and here write this, paste the server name and \SQL Express and click on connect. Here you can see all the available database. We will create a new database. Let's name it college database, college DB. Hit OK. Now we will see that the college DB database is created. Just click on it and you will see tables, views. We will create a new table. Just we are going to create a student table with column ID, with column name and column department and column address. You can create multiple tables. We just create one for the demo. Just save the table, give it name like student table. Now you will see when click on tables, the table has been created. You can see your table. You can create multiple tables. This is the design of your table. Now we will install Visual Studio. Just click on the first link. We have multiple editions of Visual Studio, but we will select Community Edition. Just download the file and click to install the file. Continue. It is very heavy installation. It takes 1 hour, but we have skipped that process for the sake of time. When completed, launch the file and create new project. One thing, note that during installation you have to select .NET Windows Form application and data storage. You have to select these two options and ignore ASP.NET or other mobile Unity option. Just select these two options, .NET desktop applications and data storage, and click on install. It takes a little hour and depend on internet speed. For the sake of time, we have skipped that options.